Rasulullah said, "Shall I not inform you of what I fear for you more than the Masih al-Dajjal?" Before I continue, Rasulullah told us there is no messenger that came except warned his people about the Dajjal. No messenger except he warned his people about the Dajjal. And in many other hadith, it is the biggest fitna ever is the fitna of the Dajjal. That fitna, Rasulullah said, should I tell you about something that I'm more worried about than this huge fitna? I said, yes, Ya Rasulullah. He said, it is the hidden shirk. It is the hidden shirk. And listen to the example that Rasulullah gave. Listen carefully, because maybe one time or another we fell into this same specific example he gave. He said it is hidden shirk. And he continued, alayhi salatu wasalam, when he said, it is when a man stands up for salat, then beautifies it because someone else is looking. How many times the ruku' became very long when the imam was passing by? How many times the sujood was a little bit longer because Baba's watching? How many times the qiyam was longer because mom was watching? Literally, that's the example alayhi salatu wasalam gave. After he said the word hidden shirk, riya, he gave the example that unfortunately many of us can relate to. How dangerous it is. Listen to what Ibn Abbas radiallahu anh, he said. The riya is more subtle, hidden, than a black ant on a black rock in a moonless night. There's no way you could see it. This is how subtle, how easy, how dangerous you could fall into the riya without even noticing. In another hadith, Rasulullah said that the riya is more subtle than the footsteps of the ants. May Allah protect us. Wallahi, may Allah protect us. Yani, the minute, listen to this statement very carefully. The minute you feel you are safe from riya, you are full of riya. You have to be always on your toes.